Hello students, in the last video of pronoun we have discussed about the definition and personal, reflexive, emphatic and distributive pronouns. So today we will proceed further with the next pronouns. As we have already discussed about personal, reflexive, emphatic and distributive pronouns. So today with the next one we will start with demonstrative pronouns. The four demonstrative pronouns are this, that, these, those. A demonstrative pronoun identifies and specifies a noun or pronoun. This and these refer to nouns that are nearby in time or space. That or those refer to nouns that are further away in time or space. This and that refer to singular nouns. These and those refer to plural nouns. Indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns are used for non-specific items and people. It doesn't refer to a particular person, place or thing. It includes the words like anyone, someone, all, both, each and few. For example, I hope someone will help me. Some people are born great. Relative pronoun. The relative pronouns link the mean clause with the relative clause. In the defining relative clauses, we use who, that for people, that for things, where for places, and whose for possessions. Now look at some examples of relative pronouns. This is the man who broke the window. She knew the family whose house we bought. They have found the lady whom they want to interview. My precious blue lamp, which was in the room, was broken. The lamp that was in the room was broken. Interrogative pronouns. You are already familiar with it. Have a look of it. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. These are the detectives of the pronoun group. They help the speaker find information by asking questions. Interrogative pronouns are what, which, who, whom, whose. Examples: what is known about the case? Who is coming to the party? Possessive pronouns. A possessive pronoun is a pronoun that is used to indicate possession or ownership. For example, this pen is my pen, not your pen. This pen is mine, not yours. We have used mine in place of my pen and yours in place of your pen. So word mine and yours are possessive pronouns. Now we will discuss about omission of relative pronouns, means where we can omit relative pronouns. Relative pronouns cannot be omitted if they are at the subjects of the clauses, means if they are at the subject place in the sentence, they can't be omitted. Example: the man who visited us yesterday is a famous professor. In the next, we can omit the relative pronoun if it is not the subject of the clause, means if it at the object place, it can be omitted. The house we bought is very big, means we have omitted which or that and then wrote the sentence. So by discussing these points, we have completed our chapter pronouns. I hope the concept is clear to you. So meet you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.